Do you know China's forex reserve stands at a whooping $3,000 billion, which translates to $3 trillion. And what is the GDP of the recent fourth largest economy of the world? It is $4.18 trillion. That means China's forex assets are equal to the national wealth within the country. And where does India stands at its forex reserve? It was at $720 billion recently, but it has slipped down to $690 billion, and chances are it will slip down even further. In this context, the Prime Minister of India urged the people of its nation to stop buying gold for a year, shift to public transport, to electric vehicles, and shift to organic agriculture, limit the use of fertilizers, etc. So in this regard, UPSC has already asked these many questions. The important thing is to understand what UPSC may ask next. And most importantly, even more important than the questions, is how will you answer those questions. So welcome to Economy and Earnings by Sonia Ma'am, your GS coach. First question that UPSC can ask is, what are forex reserves? How does India earns and spends its forex reserve? To answer the first part of the question, you'll have to explain balance of payment chart. Second part of the question, you have to explain how does India incurs a deficit in its current account and a surplus in its capital account, which translates into a forex reserve. If you have limited understanding of balance of payments, external trade of India, please follow me in an upcoming video. Second question that UPSC can ask is, enumerate all the factors which are putting a downward pressure on India's forex reserve. How can India augment its forex assets? And thirdly, should the government along with the people follow austerity measures? To answer the first part of the questions, you must write about the geopolitical tensions, the ongoing wars, the limited supply of oil and gas, rising oil and gas prices, and the people's shift of investment towards gold rather than financial assets due to financial market risk. To answer the second part of the question, how can India bolster its forex reserve? You have to mention about India exploring other overseas options for its oil and gas supply, diplomatic balancing between US, Iran and Russia to secure energy supplies, emphasis on renewable energy and electric vehicles, as well as a shift to traditional farming or organic agriculture. Also, RBI making many ventures in the forex market to secure its forex assets. So students, use these information in your answer and write a well-enriched answer. If you face any issues during answer writing, message me in the comment box and I'll get back to you. Thank you very much.